Hi, all of you are checking in as an assignment in this week's activities. And so I thought it'd be a good opportunity for me to check in with you. First thing I want to touch on is students from all four of my classes, it's not just this class, are submitting assignments through email. I need to grade according to the rubric. The rubric is established in Blackboard, and therefore you need to submit it and upload it into Blackboard. I know there's a few students in some of my classes that are having computer issues, but I will work with you to get this work into Blackboard. I know there's one or two students that are in the process of purchasing a new computer because it's not working effectively. Enough on that. Let's go to the portfolio. All right, I made a bullet here that I'm going off of things I want to talk about with the portfolio project. First of all, it's you're going to have volunteers. There's going to be a team of 15. You need to raise $1,600 for the uniforms in this event. What your project is a proposal, and the introduces yourself and the fact that it is a proposal. And if you look at the rubrics, you need to state that it is a proposal in your project. So the best place for you to do it is in the introduction, as you introduce this document as a proposal to the school board, because you want them to select you as the manager of this event. And why do you want them to select you? Because you know a lot about management, because you're showing what you know on the 5 functions of management. And that's why, let's tie it to each week's lessons. You are going and submitting, after you get done with planning, you're submitting the planning section. This week you're working on the organizing and so forth like that. So there will be 5 sections. And if you go to the template, please use the template. It'll make life a lot easier for you and a lot easier for me to grade. So according to the template, you have an introduction, you have 5 sections, and each of the sections will have a heading. The first will be planning. Now, how long should the planning section be? That's up to you, but I will tell you, details are very, very important. If you ask me for a recommendation, I will say 3 paragraphs with approximately 5 sentences per paragraph. In the organization for this week, I know sometimes it's hard to come up with enough details and to explain it. Throw in an organizational chart, but you need to also throw in some essay to describe what the organizational chart is all about. So my message to you is to, after the sections are finished, make sure you have a conclusion, wrap it all up, summarize it, and please do not forget your references. There's major points off on this project if you do not include those references. So, and if you use the template, it has it in there, so it'll be much easier for you to remember to put those references in there. Also, please go back. If you have any questions, go back to week 1. Review the directions, review the rubric, get that template. I also have the template in an announcement. Then go to my recommendations that I give you after each time that you submit. Can you redo that? No, you can't redo it, but I'm making recommendations for the next one and for that final. So please read my recommendations. Please listen to my videos. These are hard to do. I can sitting here talking to this phone and I'm doing YouTube videos for you guys. I want you to get 100 on this project, please. So take care. Let's see how we go from here. And if I think that you need another video and I can redirect you, I will do it. Take care. Bye-bye.